Hello, I'm Carla Valentina Armeo. I come to explain my dad's number 2 entry. Documentary New Year 15 years after 9/11. Okay, let's go. Question number 1 is: have Americans overcome the 9/11 events? Although years had passed since the terrible attacks against the United States on September 11, 2001 had a month after consequence repercussions on the international order, triggering a change in the world scenario in which the United States has clearly assumed its role as the world's leading political and military power. Number 2 is: how had Muslims and Americans' lives changed after the 9/11 events? In the days following the September 11 attacks, American state of shock quickly mutated in calls for revenge. Even before the war on terrorism spread around the world, and Muslims Americans feel the backlash at home, and many in New York City are still immersed in that sentiment. Even though the attacks may have taken place 20 years ago, memories of September 11, 2001 still bring tears to the eyes of Americans and Muslims living in fear of a terrorist attack of the caliber. Question number 3 is: American government joined to reduce the trade feelings of the community. The September 11 attacks were a crime against humanity that violated fundamental human rights, values, and international humanitarian law. Human Rights Watch has expressed its sympathy and support for the victims of the September 11 attacks and their families. Human Rights Watch has repeatedly expressed its reputation of attacks against noting the urgent need to prosecute those responsible for this abuse. The United States government has made arbitrary arrests, violated the process, and carried out secret arrests in the course of its investigation of September 11 attacks. Number 4 is: what is the opinion of some politicians about war after 9/11? In short, there are several types. There is terrorism from above, terrorism from below, and the actors can be very bad, as they can also support terrorism from below. Therefore, use for or reflection reflection, that Islam is not synonymous with terrorism. If the term ceases to be used, it could be replaced with a neutral term violence. If that is the case, we would dare to repeat with the famous Prussian General von Clausewitz, that war is the continuation of politics. And remembering Jefferson, one of the famous founders of the United States, that the Day of Civilians is part of the war. Of the war of the world. Thank you for paying attention.